What's up guys, and welcome back to B4Crypto. In today's video we are going to find out why we saw this massive dump for Bitcoin after we have reached the level of the 61.8. And guys, we went down all the way to a level of $19,500. And guys, we're going to look at exactly what happened in these areas, because guys, we have to look on the weekly chart to find out what happened in these areas. And I'm going to show you exactly what happened. So guys, we're also going to look at Ethereum, because we could see that the Ethereum merge finally happened. And now Ethereum went from proof of work to proof of stake. So guys, I also want to remind you that I still have my $50 giveaway until tomorrow. So guys, follow the steps in the video description below. Watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe. And now let's start with the video. Welcome back to B4Crypto guys. First of all, I want to thank you all for smashing up the like button and subscribing to my channel. And keep in mind guys, the $50 Bitcoin giveaway, if you sign up with Bitget, is still running. And you have 2 days left to enter this competition. Guys, make use of this free money, and also you receive a major deposit bonus if you sign up with Bitget and deposit your cryptocurrencies. It's good for spot trading, leverage trading, copy trading, and also grid trading. And guys, I'm going to upload a full tutorial of Bitget. So guys, let's go into the charts and directly start with the content. So guys, on the daily chart you can see that we got this massive rejection at the 61.8, and we had this long trade all the way up to this level. And guys, we took profits at exactly the right time. And guys, now we're going to look at the news article why we saw this massive dump towards the downside. So guys, hot CPI report puts dent in Bitcoin Ethereum rally, stocks also lose ground. Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins and the stock price crumbled in the face of the hotter than expected CPI report. So guys, we can see that the crypto and the stock markets are feeling the pain after the September 13th inflation report printed an unexpected hot figure that showed headline inflation rising by 0.1% month over month. So the core inflation saw a 0.6% month-over-month bump, and year-to-year inflation sits at round about 8.3%. So guys, this is why we saw this massive dump towards the downside for Bitcoin and all of the markets. So guys, we're going to find out also on the weekly chart what is going to happen, but first we're going to look at the price movement at the moment. So guys, at the moment you can see that we again found support at the support and resistance box that we have for a very long time now. But guys, we have to stay positive, because at the moment we can see that we had this low, and at the moment we are still forming this higher low. So this is still bullish, and this retracement all the way to the support box is not all too bad for Bitcoin. But guys, we're going to find out on the weekly chart what is the second factor that why we saw this massive dump towards the downside. And first I'm going to remove all the drawings, and then we're going to go over on the weekly chart for Bitcoin. And on the weekly chart for Bitcoin you can still see that we are still above the previous all-time high. And guys, we're going to draw a trend line all the way from the top of the all-time high all the way towards the downside. So guys, you can see from this trend line that we saw this dump from the all-time high, and then we exactly went to this downward sloping trend and saw a massive rejection towards the downside. And afterwards we consolidated at the lows that we have formed at the moment. And guys, you can once again see that we got a rejection from this downward sloping trend. And this is also a factor why we saw this massive dump towards the downside for Bitcoin. And guys, we're going to find out on the daily chart how this trend line exactly looks. So guys, we could see that we got a massive rejection from this downward sloping trend line, and at the moment we are consolidating above this support box. So guys, it is very important for Bitcoin that we stay within this support box. And if we're going to break out through this trend line, this is going to really be a bullish indication for Bitcoin that we could maybe come back into this range, also form a higher high for Bitcoin. But guys, we're going to see what the price of Bitcoin does if we're going to hold this support box, and that is going to be the most important factor at the moment. So guys, we're going to go over to Ethereum, because we could see that the merge from Ethereum from proof of work to proof of stake finally happened. So guys, we're going to find out what happened in these areas. And first of all, we could see the same scenario through the inflation numbers, we saw this massive dump towards the downside, and at the moment Ethereum is still above the 100 moving average on the daily chart. So guys, I expected that we will see this massive pump all the way to the merge and that we could reach a level of 2000 US dollars, and afterwards we would see this massive sell-off and the sell the news event. But guys, it came totally different. We saw a dump towards the merge from the inflation numbers to still stay within this higher low. So it is very important for Ethereum to consolidate above the 100 moving average on the daily chart, and that we're going to see a breakout back above this trend line. Because guys, you can see that this trend line is very significant for Ethereum, and at the moment we broke this trend line towards the downside. So let us hope that we're going to see a bounce from these regions of the 100 moving average on the daily chart, so that we can see higher prices for Ethereum. Because guys, overall the merge was quite successful and very positive for Ethereum. So we're going to see in the future a lot of roll-ups and a lot of updates that will even bring the gas price down. So guys, it is overall quite bullish for Ethereum, and maybe we're going to form this W and break out even higher. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Smash up the like button if you like this content, and subscribe and sign up to my $50 US Bitcoin giveaway. So guys, make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.